Hello and welcome to Small Seeds, where we like to make herbal teas out of our weeds. No, that's not blue Gatorade. That is an infusion made from wild violet. Oh, and before I forget, dun dun, disclaimer. Wild violets belong to the Viola genus of the Violaceae family. There are hundreds of different species of violets within this genus who can easily be identified by their flowers. Just keep in mind that African violets, which are commonly kept as houseplants, are not in this family. Yeah, don't eat African violets. No good. Anyway, the flowers of wild violets are often a violet color or different shades of purple. They can also be white or yellow. Due to the fact that they hybridize freely, it is often very hard to determine the specific species. It actually took me a while to figure out the specific species of the violets growing on our lawn. I narrowed it down to 3 species that it could possibly be, and then after close examination of the beard hairs on the violet, I was able to rule out the Viola cucullata species. And then I was also able to rule out the Viola odorata species, since there is no odor to the violets that we have. So then that left me with the Viola Sororia species, which it could also just be a hybrid of the Viola Sororia. But anyway, let's not get into it. Species within this genus can get very complicated. So let's talk about wild violets now. Each plant within this genus have 5 petals and 5 sepals, with the 2 lateral petals usually being bearded with small white hairs. For the most part, wild violets are low-growing herbaceous perennials that form a basal rosette. The leaf sizes and shapes vary, but they are most commonly heart-shaped. The ones that we have a waxy leaf with slightly serrated edges. Both the leaves and flowers can be eaten raw or cooked, and the leaves are full of vitamins A and C. The bright, beautiful flowers are often used in desserts and other dishes as a garnish, and the flowers have been used throughout the centuries and made into jellies, syrups, vinegars, candies, and herbal teas. Something I love even more than the beauty or the edibility of this plant is its medicinal benefits. The plant can be used as an expectorant, meaning it removes excess mucus from the lungs. It can also be used as a remedy for coughs, sore throats, and respiratory issues. It reduces inflammation, and this plant is both an immune and lymphatic stimulant. A compress can be made to relieve headaches, and this is most likely due to the salicylic acid that the plant contains, which is also an ingredient found in aspirin. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video on wild violets. And maybe if you find some of these sweet little flowers around, you'll, make something with them, or just eat them. Yeah, enjoy. Oh yeah, and a little fun fact. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice into this tea and it changes colors. Ooh.